Hello guys, J Miles here with another vid. Yes sir. And I'm taking out some trash because I just changed some trash bags here at the job. Yeah, so what I wanted to let you guys know is I got an interesting video to show you guys of our U-Haul truck being damaged. And I even got the perpetrator on film because it was sent to me today while I was at home getting ready for it. So yeah, I'm going to bring that interesting footage to you guys so y'all can see the perpetrator who damaged our U-Haul truck. J Miles. I get to work tonight, guys, and check it out on a Sunday night. I get to work and I see glass right here. You probably can't see it, but that's glass. And guess what, guys? Yeah, we had an individual break our U-Haul glass, one of our trucks. Yep. Remember when I told y'all the homeless are getting bolder? Yep. They are super getting bolder. One of our U-Hauls. So we had to make a report. I got the video. I'm gonna show you guys who this guy is. And just in case if you see him in the Tampa area, at your location, you can do something about it. Hopefully we catch this a-hole. Peace. I'm out. J Miles.